This is my tutorial for a snowflake glitter tumbler with rhinestones. Happy New Year, fam! One of my New Year's resolutions is to clear off my started but never finished tumbler shelf, and these two tumblers had been sitting on my shelf for over a year plus. So I decided to do something with them. First, let's go over how I got to this point, and that's with a brushed painted base. I'm not sure if these were the exact colors I used, but they're pretty darn close. I have so many tumblers I have started but didn't have time to finish, so in order to finish them, you'll be seeing me do a few of these videos throughout the year featuring one or two of the tumblers on my shelf. It won't be all the time or even every month, but every once in a while, I'll probably pop one or two in. I gotta clear this shelf, you guys. They've gotta go. They've gotta go. While our paint dries, let's mix our glitter. To save myself a step or two, I'm just going to add my glitter directly into the epoxy and add it to the tumbler. For some depth and make sure it's nice and smooth, I'll add another coat on top, and then we'll be at the point where I stopped with the other two mugs. Now, this isn't exactly what I did on the two mugs, but it's pretty darn close. I think I added a little bit more white paint on my painted base, but you get the idea. So let me just preface the rest of this video by saying the Emmy-worthy videography that you're about to witness will both amaze and amuse you in its awesomeness, for you will see nothing but most of my messy craft table for the next about 70% of this video. Yes. Yes! Why, you may ask? Because apparently taking a 2-week hiatus from tumblers and videos has turned my brain and video making skills back to kindergarten level. Actually, you know what? I'm not even going to insult kindergartners. They are Jerry Bruckheimer compared to this mess. Lord mercy. So I'll talk you guys through what I'm basically doing on the cup halfway off the screen. But thankfully, if you've been with me for a while, you've seen me do these techniques a bunch of times. And if you're new, you may want to binge watch some of my other peekaboo tutorials. I'll link my Tumblr playlist above in the right-hand corner of your screen. All right, here we go. I've cut some snowflakes out with some stencil vinyl, and I am now applying them sporadically all over the cup, leaving some space between each for the white snowflakes that we'll be placing later. I decided I wanted to tape off my handle so the glitter will show before I spray paint my tumbler with white and pink ColorShot spray paint. I spray painted my tumbler pink at the top and white at the bottom, but you can spray paint it however you like. And your ombre doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, if you're, well, you don't really even need ombre. You can just spray paint it one color, but if you're going to do an ombre, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try not to have a harsh line. We'll be doing the tack it method with, I'm using, of course, foil glue, not tack it glue. And I'm using Whisper from PDB Creative Studio. It has a gorgeous pink opal shift, which is perfect for this tumbler, and it really helps bring out a blended look. soon as I'm finished rubbing my glitter on, I'm going to go ahead and peel up my stencil. Now that I'm finished peeling up my stencil, I'm going to seal my tumbler with Krylon Triple Thick or any clear sealer will do, and then I'm going to add a coat of epoxy to make sure it's nice and smooth. My tumbler has been coated with a coat of epoxy. It's nice and smooth now and ready for my white snowflakes. I'm also going to be cleaning up my rim and sanding it so it's nice and smooth as well. For the placement of the snowflakes, I'll be placing the middle of the snowflake in the open spots and letting the outsides of the snowflakes overlap with the peekaboo snowflakes. We want the peekaboos to still be seen, so try not to cover them up too much. Unless you want to. I mean, do what you want, fam. Do what you want. After placing my snowflakes, I'm now going to seal with a coat of epoxy. This is going to be my final coat of epoxy, and now, thankfully, you can now see what I'm actually doing now. It's literally the last step, egads. But, like I said, this is my last coat of epoxy. My last coat. And I wanted to add some bling, so I'm going to be adding some rhinestones. You totally don't have to, but I have tons of rhinestones, y'all. I used to make rhinestone tumblers forever and a year ago, until I made the mistake of doing a scatter method tumbler on my Starbucks tumbler for my birthday, and after that I said never again. I made that tumbler almost 2 years ago. Yeah, about 2 years ago. So I haven't touched a rhinestone tumbler, a full rhinestone tumbler, in 2 years. Yeah, but I've been feeling the itch to start up again. The idea of it no longer makes my eye twitch, so I don't know. We'll see. I let these cure, and then I was all done. And now I have another cup to add to my shelf that I have to finish. Oh my lord. Oh, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my hot mess video. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. My group has been here for a year, you guys, a year. Whew. Have fun making your snowflake rhinestone tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.